What do you like?
Oh my god! It's Megan proof.
Another pasta machine.
Hi guys, I totally ghosted my YouTube. I seem to do that a lot. I feel like it's really hard for me to kind of balance everything a little bit without getting overwhelmed. A lot of these clips that are in this vlog are from July, August, September, and I even have some October clips in here. I thought I would just combine it all into one whole vlog. And hopefully maybe I can get on an actual regular schedule. Guys, I don't know. I'm trying my best, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy these random clips of everything, and yeah.
What a good lunch. My Red Bull if you want some.
Oh my god! No. And then I brought.
We're all set up now.
Whites.
This is Taylor's.
I brought mini creations.
We already got our first order.
Yay! And I brought a salad with croutons.
Oh,
Lovely. Mini queen.
they're doing construction. Success. Look at that. Okay, I have an assortment of beads, but I don't know which ones to pick. Like, what do I pick? What do you like? I'm only gonna get like 3 or 4.
Well, I really like this color.
Yeah, I like that too.
And I mean, you could do a red because it's like, I mean, unless.
No, it can't. Why did they just block off? I want to go in there.
Oh my god!
$12.99? They're so cute. It's a little wiener dog. Hey, Weenie. Hey, do you want to help carve a pumpkin? Oh. Wait, I thought it was going to be satisfying, but it's really hard. Oh my gosh. You got this. Actually, kind of helps. 2, 3. I think I'm going to have to do it all. 1, 2, 3. It just seems cold and filthy. Here, wait, I'm going to do it. You want to try this? It does helps loosen it. Once you loosen it, you have to kind of. Oh. Pumpkin carving ASMR.
Not satisfying, actually.
You can't even hear it. Wait, I didn't know this pumpkin carving.
No way. Forget it. This isn't gonna be good. I'm done.
Wait, one more.
I've got a birthday party in an hour and I don't plan.
I like actually cannot right now. I have been trying to open this Tide Pod container for like 5 minutes now, and I can't open it. Yes, I know it's childproof because all the kids have been eating Tide Pods, but it's Megan proof. I don't know if it's because I have really weak hands, but like, guys, I actually can't open it. Oh my god, like I'm actually shaking. I cannot open this. What do I do? How am I supposed to do my laundry? How do I do my laundry? Surface cleaning, laundry detergent. I guess we're using this. That's so embarrassing. Apparently now I'm just gonna be vlogging again. I just decided to pick up my camera and I guess now we're vlogging again. Anyways, today I have to again go get another pasta machine. I don't know if I vlogged the last time. I know I put it on Instagram, but the amount of times I've broken a pasta machine, I think this is the 4th one that I'm going through in the past 6 months. Again, this part where you change the sizing, it falls off, and see how it's like a screw? It is loose in here. See it? So that would go on the screw to hold it on, and then eventually over time, which for me, I got this in September and it's now November, but I think I'm gonna get like an actual like professional pasta machine, like for actual pasta. Like I'm gonna go to like a food appliance store today and actually get one, because this is just, no, I just can't do it. I just can't. No, not another one. Not another one. So, we're gonna go do that, and you're gonna come with me because why not? Also, my voice has been really raspy lately. I have been going to the club a lot recently. It's been really fun, and I've been going with Logan's sister a lot. Actually, I might insert some clips in here. That was like our Halloween weekend, and every time I go, I seem to like lose my voice. I think it's because I'm singing so loud, and I lose my voice every time. I was like this when I was a kid too. Like when I went to sleepovers with friends, I would always, by the end of the night, be losing my voice. Look at how dirty my shoes get from working at the flower shop. And like, I think the bottom of them is green. Oh, ah! I almost just fell over. Let's look at our to-do list. I have to go to Rexall to get my birth control. I have to go to the dollar store because it's Logan's birthday tomorrow, and I have to get him balloons and what else did I have to get? Card, poster board, painter's tape. Oh, I bought these frames in my room. I don't know if you saw the clip, but here's the clip of me putting them up. Does that look even? And I don't know what to put in them, and every time I look for prints online, they're really expensive, And I don't really want to drop like $80 or more on some wall art right now. Like, I feel like that's unnecessary for someone that's literally an artist and I could just make my own. So I'm just gonna go get some Bristol board and draw something. Just because right now they're just like two of the same pieces of art in it. Like, you know, like the art that comes with the frames. And that's it, okay. And then I have to go to that food equipment place to get the pasta machine. Like, I'm actually getting like a food pasta machine. And they're having a sale right now, so instead of $150, it's like $120. I can get a cheaper one, but I'm thinking the more expensive one has different sizes because the first one doesn't say the sizes. So I'm like, the second one says the sizes, so I might as well get that one because then I know what the sizes are. Balloon secured. And I'm sweating. I thought it was a lot colder than this. Okay, so they didn't have the other one that I wanted with the different sizes. But this one like should be fine. It was like way cheaper anyways, so like it's whatever. It should be good enough. Like, I hope the sizing is good. I mean, I can always return it, right? And it was 20% off, so it was only $81.35. And I was gonna pay like $130 for the other one, but I mean, that's fine. Yeah, he literally was explaining to me all the pastas I can make with it. And I'm over here using it for clay. So funny. Anyways, okay. I think I'm done everything now. I think I can go home now. So yeah, I'm gonna head home and we're gonna set up this new pasta machine and then get to work because I have orders to do. I need to open this up. Also, I moved my room around. You guys probably haven't seen it like this yet. I just moved it around like this recently. Black detailing. Okay, girl. She is nice. In the meantime, I'm waiting for this to load so I can pack orders because I have orders to pack, but it's not generating the labels. Hello?